So between snow showers, I've just taken it out for a little spin to have a go at bedding these brakes in. So I followed the Mintex guide, and it says to do about 7 stops from about 30 mile an hour down to 10 mile an hour. So I've done that, and then I've done another 7 stops from 70 mile an hour down to 30 mile an hour. So far so good. I'm going to take it home shortly and check to see if it's got any leaks, check all the joints and the calipers and everything. And the exhaust sounds lovely, so getting it up to temperature and giving all that acoustic a bit of a run in, it's sounding really sweet, much better than it did before. So yeah, good so far for a first little run after all the odd jobs I've done over the winter. Looking forward to getting it out properly.